destroys fast food stall and another general store in Dimpu. Assam's popular YouTuber Dimpu Barua visits Dima Hasao. Hello and good morning to all the viewers of Karbi Anglong Live. I am Jirbon Kilingpi bringing you the latest news for this morning. And now the news in detail. In a latest incident, a fast food stall and a general store was completely gutted on Friday evening in front of Khorsing Tarang Memorial Park in Dimpu under the Dimpu police station. Here's a report. According to the cook, the incident took place when he lighted the stove to make soup, but a fire suddenly turned into a massive blaze and went out of control, catching the entire fast food structure, leading to the explosion of 2 gas cylinders. The massive fire from the fast food hotel then spread to the general store and completely destroyed the 2 shops. In addition to this, 2 scooty parked near the shops also caught fire and were destroyed.
কি হয়েছে ঘটনাটো
মানে সুপ গরম করেছিল সুপ বনাইছিল মানে গ্যাস খতম হৈ গল নতুন গ্যাস আনিব গৈছো তাৰছত মই মেছ মানে লাইটাৰটো মাৰিলো লাইটাৰ মাৰাৰ লগে লগে জুই ডাঙৰ হৈ গল তাৰ পিছত পুৰা সিলিন্ডাৰ জ্বলি গল মানে গ্যাস ৰখাব পৰা নাই আমি বস্তা সস্তা ঢালিছো নোৱাৰিলো ওপৰত আৰু আমাৰ গেলামাল দোকানো আছে গেলামালৰ দোকানৰ হিটত সব জ্বলি গল
কেইখন দোকান জ্বলিছে
দুখন স্কুটি জ্বলা
সিলিন্ডাৰ কেইটা ব্ৰাছ হৈছে দুটা সিলিন্ডাৰ মানুহৰ কিবা ক্ষতি হৈছে নেকি
মানুহৰ মালিকৰ অলপ এফালে হাত জ্বলিছে অলপ
হাত জ্বলিছে ন
গাড়ী কাখন জ্বলিছে গাড়ী দুখন
জ্বলিছে
কি গাড়ী পেপ প্লাস আৰু ডিও
স্কুটি দুখন জ্বলিছে মুঠতে আৰু বেলেগ কিবা ক্ষতি হৈছে নে
বেলেগ ক্ষতিটো একো নাই মানে খালি দোকানৰ বস্তুখিনি জ্বলিছে আৰু তলৰ ঘৰৰ বস্তু অলপ জ্বলিছে
ফ্ৰী আছিল নেকি মালিকৰ নাম ফ্ৰী আছিল নেকি
মালিকৰ নাম অমৰবে
দোকানৰ পৰা একো ওলাব নোৱাৰিলে
একো নোৱাৰিলো গোটে জ্বলি
তোমাৰ নামটো
মোৰ নাম প্ৰহ্লাদ কাকতি
The owner of the fast food stall has been identified as Amar Bey and Preeti Rongpipi. Although all of the items and properties kept inside the store were destroyed, the owner Preeti Rongpipi fortunately escaped with minor injury. And though the fire tenders were not able to save the fast food hotel and general store, they somehow managed to douse the fire and prevented the fire from spreading to other shops nearby. Meanwhile, the extent of loss of properties have not yet been ascertained, but a major fire has indeed completely destroyed the hotel and store and might be tough time for the owner to bring back their lives and work to normalcy. News report Longsudar Ringti for Karbi Anglong Live. One of Assam's most loved and popular YouTuber, Dimpu Barua, showcased Dima Hasao in his recent travel vlog where he shared his experience of exploring heritage and beauty of Dima Hasao in his unique way of presentation. Here is a report from our correspondent. Dimpu arrived in the district on Tuesday morning and visited various places of the district like Maibang Stone House, Didaudi Waterfalls, and on en route to the district headquarters Haflong, he also visited the mysterious Jatinga. Later, he also enjoyed boat riding at Haflong Lake, which was constructed in the colonial era. In Haflong, Municipal Board Chairman and NC Hills Autonomous Council's MAC for Tourism Department, Manjit Naiding, felicitated Barua with Rimai, a traditional Dimasa muffler, at a program held in Dibarai Field. During the day, youths of Dibarai showcased a colorful traditional dance to welcome him. On the second day, Barua went to Mount Sialkal Peak, over 1500 meters above sea level, one of the most beautiful trekking points in Assam's Borail mountain range. During his trekking expedition, he was guided and accompanied by members of the Dima Hasao Adventure Association and several of his fans. The following day, the YouTuber visited Umrongso's golf course, Myungma Dauga Waterfalls, and one of the most famous picnic spots of the state, Panimur. Till filing these reports, the YouTuber have already uploaded 3 of his vlogs featuring the district in his YouTube channel, Dimpu's Vlog, Dimpu Barua, and Facebook page, which already have several lakhs views. With over 1.8 million subscribers, Dimpu had received the prestigious golden play button from YouTube after crossing 1 million subscribers in November 2020. He is a resident of Lower Assam's Nalbari district. He is a simple person with a plain way of talking that grabs attention of viewers to his channel.
बहुत ही अच्छा लगा मतलब ऐसा लग रहा है कि बहुत दूर नहीं है आसमान हमसे इतना ऊपर आ चुका है लेकिन बहुत अच्छा लगा आप लोग भी आए
कैसा लगता है यार यहाँ पे तकलीफ लगता है कि
मिलता है लेकिन जो सुकून मिलता है यहाँ के नेचर के बीच में रह के वो सुकून मतलब अनपिच से बोले मैं कुछ बोल नहीं सकता आप लोग आए फील कर लीजिए
Suraj Barman from Haflong for Karbi Anglong Live. Come one, come all to the 3rd Inter-Church Football Tournament, come awareness program on addiction and human trafficking, organized by Community Health and Development Program, Baptist Christian Hospital, Tezpur, a unit of Emmanuel Hospital Association, New Delhi, in collaboration with AKBCLFYD for both women and men. Registration starts from September 1 to September 20, 2021 at Atpotaro Playground, Dongmukak. For more detail, contact 8638 398 440. The Nilip unit of the Karbi Farmers Association on Friday organized a cleanliness program at Kirilangso Waterfall, located 1 kilometer away from Chokihola Nilip Block Office, which falls under the Nilip MSC constituency. The cleanliness activity program was led by Nilip Cafe Unit President Bikram Tokbi. The organization's leaders had also urged upon the public to maintain cleanliness and hygiene in the waterfall site, asserting that it is the key to maintain and sustain tourism. The organization was stressing on the need to make it part of life of all individuals, said that the area is gifted with beauty of nature and therefore everyone in the area should feel proud and fortunate of what they have. The Karbi Farmers Association leaders also said that nature is like medicines to human beings and helps many people in finding peace and harmony in their life. The cleanliness activity was carried out at 1 p.m. and was attended by more than 20 members, including Vice President Hundor Terang and General Secretary Gostin Terang. The program was concluded at 4 p.m. Samson Ingtis report from Koilamati for Karbi Anglong Live. The annual general meeting of the Rongkhang Cooperative Lamb Society was held on Friday at Ghelani Society campus. The meeting was presided over by Rongkhang Lamb's chairman Mongol Bey. The meeting was attended as chief guest by Dongkamukam Municipal Board Chairman Telisram Ronghang, and he was accompanied by Vice Chairman Rensing Timung, Ward Commissioner Jitu Terang, among others. Rongkhang Lamb Secretary Dilip Teron, Vice Chairman Babu Rongphar, all members and dealers under the Rongkhang Cooperative Lambs Society were also present. While speaking at the meeting, DMB Chairman Telisram Ronghang said that Rongkhang Cooperative Lamb Society occupies an important place in terms of its name, as MP Horan Singh Bey is from the Rongkhang constituency. Bitung Rengthama is its immediate neighbor constituency, which is the home constituency of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM Tuliram Ronghang. He urged upon the Lamb's members for full commitment towards delivering their service to the local people through the society. Lamb's chairman Mongol Bey, while speaking at the meeting, highlighted various challenges faced by the society in delivery of service. He also stated that Rongkhang Cooperative Lamb Society is doing great work despite various challenges, and the beneficiaries are getting rice as per the guidelines. Observers who were also present at the meeting also provided their inputs and advices to the members of the society for their smooth functioning. The observers also urged upon the society to continue delivering their services as per the guidelines, stating that when they are followed sincerely, it would be fulfilling welfare goals of the government. Later in the meeting, Lamb Secretary Dilip Teron provided its report of the past year, including receipts and distribution, among others.
Annual meeting mate nikan segamai ini nil tu pada patu konikla sikame la bangso kedo long nil tu manikan bangson aban putin asia roda rapan hidup pale ya tu edet la bangke nal tum kado bawis same chini pirthe adang kacethang klub na bangso corona bu ilik tu malong sikame kaciri nanji mate kapiri mimi na bangso tu ko ajo nil tu phan loy no darahin pen vaksin cipitang bangku bangpi mate lai prima cipitang bangku bangpi tum hansi nang pahang toilo lapen bang poket abangku bangpi hansi nilitum phan nang pahang longshot lasi nilitum la bangso aron mate coronavirus mate la so protocol COVID-19 protocol aron maninang ko bajoksi nilitum sitame pining labangso amayalo pakokep abangku bangki pansi hanpodicholo.
Wiki-based report from Dongkamukam for Karbi Anglong Live. Now those were the stories for this morning. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live and have a great day.